Get ready with me to go to sleep. My mom just cleaned this bathroom. Guess I'm gonna go with this weird headband. Obviously, you have to go with the cleanser. My favorite cleanser is about to run out. You are my favorite cleanser. Cleanser. Very demure, very cutesy. I'm going with 3 toners. First, we got the Laneige toner. Guys, tomorrow is school. I'm excited. Also, I'm not. Tomorrow's Monday, and tomorrow we're gonna have PE. I really love this toner. It's like you're putting on something, but you can't feel it. But it feels so nice, and you want to put more. Next, we're going with the Glow Recipe toner. I haven't been using the Glow Recipe toner for some reason. I just don't know why. I just didn't want to. Also, tomorrow I have ballet. I'm excited for that, but it is very strict. My Glow Recipe moisturizer is almost done. It's not giving me product. It's my lucky day because it still has some. Guys, we are almost at 600K. Thank you so much for supporting me. And the haters, I don't care. Obviously, we're going with Laneige lip mask. But yeah, wish me luck for school. I didn't do my homework. Third spray. Product is in my eye. At least I look pretty. Bye. Stop, bruh. Bye. See you guys.